In this video, we're going to talk about React Native versus Flutter. Will Flutter kill React Native? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Mosh and I've taught millions of people how to become professional software engineers through this channel and my coding school. In this video, I'm going to compare React Native with Flutter, and then towards the end, I'm going to give you my unbiased opinion about which one you should learn for mobile development. So React Native and Flutter are the two top frameworks for building mobile apps for iOS and Android. React Native is created by Facebook and has been around since 2015. Here are 5 apps that are built with React Native: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Skype, Uber Eats, and many more. Flutter is created by Google. It's a newer framework that came out in 2018. Here are 3 apps built with Flutter: Google Ads, Alibaba, Realtor.com, and of course, many more. As you can see on Google Trends, Flutter has gained a lot of popularity recently and has overtaken React Native. That's because a lot of people are curious about Flutter and want to learn it. Having said that, at the time of recording this video, there are not as many job opportunities for Flutter developers. If you do a quick search on Indeed.com or your favorite job searching website, you can verify this yourself. On Indeed.com, there are currently 250 jobs for React Native developers in California compared to 42 jobs for Flutter. That's because React Native has been around for much longer than Flutter. Even though Google has invested a lot in developing and improving Flutter, React Native is more mature and stable, so it has a higher adoption rate. Now, where you live, these numbers might be different, and there may be more job opportunities for Flutter developers. So don't just rely on what I tell you. Do your own research and see which framework has a better job market. Now, in terms of programming languages, React Native uses JavaScript. So if you're a web developer and know JavaScript, React Native is the most straightforward path for you to get into mobile development. Flutter, on the other hand, uses Dart, which is a new object-oriented programming language created by Google. It's very similar to Java and JavaScript in terms of syntax. So if you know Java, JavaScript, or C#, you can quickly get up to speed with Dart. I think Dart is a beautiful language that has taken the best ideas from different programming languages. However, it's still new in the developer community, whereas JavaScript has been around for a very long time and has a huge community. There are lots of books, courses, articles, developers, and millions of lines of JavaScript code we can use in our apps. Dart's still new and growing its community. Now, one of the selling points of Flutter is that it comes with a comprehensive library of beautiful UI widgets. So for any kind of app you want to build, there are many beautiful widgets available right out of the box. That's not the case with React Native. You have to reach out to third-party libraries. So building and shipping apps with Flutter can be faster, but of course, that really depends on the developer's skills. Overall, I think both React Native and Flutter are great. Here on my channel, I have a comprehensive 2-hour tutorial on React Native, and I'm creating a similar one for Flutter. By the time you watch this video, my Flutter tutorial might even be ready. So check the description box below for the links. Now, should you invest your time and energy in React Native or Flutter? Well, here's my guidelines. First of all, ask yourself why you want to learn React Native or Flutter. Think about your goal. Do you want to learn mobile development to get a job? Or do you have an idea for an app and want to turn that idea into a reality? Your goal will determine the framework you need to learn. If your goal is to get a good job with a good salary, the job market determines whether you should learn React Native or Flutter. So look at the number of jobs advertised where you live. Don't listen to people telling you you should learn this or that. Do your own research and decide based on data. On the other hand, if your goal is to build an app, then the job market doesn't matter anymore. What matters is time to market, being able to quickly build and ship your app. If you know JavaScript well, and you also happen to know React, then React Native is the fastest way for you to get into mobile development. React Native is based on React, so everything you know about React also applies in React Native. You just have to learn some additional stuff. On the other hand, if you don't know JavaScript, then you might want to consider Flutter, because all you have to learn to get started is the Dart language and Flutter itself. It's faster than learning JavaScript, React, and React Native. Again, if you want to learn React Native or Flutter, look in the description box below for my YouTube tutorials. So do you want to learn React Native or Flutter? Let me know in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with others. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.